Well, here we have a beautiful hardwood bench complete with a Quorn cutter grinder, a sensitive pillar drill, a vise and compressor and horizontal bandsaw. This is the Quorn mounted on the right hand side with a vise. Here's the sensitive pillar drill, beautifully engineered and driven from underneath by a large old motor. Here's the horizontal bandsaw, compressor at the side, and underneath is a huge reservoir tank, massive. And this is the motor at the side, and you can hear it all running and see everything working. And here's the bandsaw. We'll start it up. Auto shut off. And this is the pillar drill working beautifully, the sensitive drill. Changing speed. Just release the cam at the back, which lets the shaft pull over. Swap the belt. Push the cam back and fire up, and away you go again. And obviously 3 speeds. And the engineering on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Real bit of craftsmanship. And this is the Quorn, the cutter grinder. There are no accessories with it, but it is complete from what you see, and it all runs perfectly. Also very quietly, and it's got reverse on it as well, so we can spin it the other way. Here we go. All a fine piece of kit. So there it is, the whole thing. We can help you load it. We've got a forklift truck to load it onto a trailer or a van for you. Make us a bid.